The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Yes, it's a hare. Well done. That's an elephant. That's right. It's a bear. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. Good girl. A bear eats acorns. Well done. A hare eats carrots. Well done. An elephant eats apples. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Yes, that's the hare's house. Right, that's the bear's house. Well done. That's the elephant's house. You helped all the animals. Great job.